Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're exploring the best fencing styles for privacy. If you want to create a secluded oasis in your yard, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, solid wood fencing. This classic choice offers great privacy and can be customized with stains or paints. Just remember, it requires regular maintenance to prevent rot. Next, we have vinyl fencing. It's durable, low maintenance, and comes in various styles. Plus, it won't fade or warp, making it a long-lasting option for privacy. Third on our list is composite fencing. This eco-friendly option combines wood fibers and plastic for a beautiful look that mimics wood without the upkeep. It's perfect for privacy without the hassle. Fourth, consider bamboo fencing. It provides a unique, natural aesthetic while offering great privacy. It's also sustainable, making it an eco-friendly choice. Lastly, Lattice Top Fencing combines privacy with a decorative touch. The solid lower panel provides privacy, while the lattice allows for some light and climbing plants. It's a stylish option. And there you have it, some of the best fencing styles for privacy. Choose what fits your style and needs best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.